Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Cardano, seeing what's going on. I got the question, hey, is this long position we took with our Premium Plus bot worthwhile? Well, we took a long here at about 57.5. We'll see if that target of 58.2 is worthwhile, and obviously if it's worth considering, or maybe it's too late, who knows. Maybe it's not even worthwhile, because again, that's a day trading bot. It's already in profit right now. You should be moving your stop loss higher as you take profit. There's no other way around it. You have to monitor your trades closely if you're going to be day trading successfully. So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. Love to teach people to trade. Hope you can learn something here today if you want to become a better trader. CryptoCash.tech is a site, link down below. Trades look a little something like this. Also have premium trades too. These are more swing trade related. These are ones that I take myself. It's not my automated trading bot. We've got Dogecoin 40%, Reef 36%, ICP 32%. Those are all 2-day trades. And then of course took those 12 days to get 86% from Bitcoin. That was a long from 43,000 to 52K. So really, really cool stuff there. Glad it's all working out well. And thank you so much for the awesome praise I've been getting here recently. I mean, that's what I'm here for, folks. Like to make sure we get, stack our portfolios. Slow and steady wins the race, folks. Okay, we're not hares, we are turtles. Okay, so try to think about that. It sounds so weird outside of context. Okay, so anyways, let's talk about liquidation here for the last 7 days for Cardano. And we can see heavy amount of liquidation here at about 5.7, 5.8. I'll round up a little, and we can see a lot of liquidation at 5.2. Sorry, I'm misspeaking. 52 cents rather. And of course, that liquidation level up here is about 56.7, 56.8 cents. Either way, no matter how you look at it, we have a lot of liquidation below us and less liquidation above us. There's more. A lot of people keep shorting. I don't know why, but they keep doing it. And the price action is going to go higher. So 59 cents to 60 makes sense for one last level of sweep. But there's a good chance they could be successful here with that 58 cent mark right there at 0.786 being a strong Fibonacci retracement level in most cases. But it's already tested it once, and we're looking for a second attempt here soon. So I think it's going to break here. We're going to talk about that and see what's going on here. Let's zoom in a little bit and just double check a few key factors so we can understand big picture in situations like this. So daily time frame, moving averages. What are we looking at here? Above all four. That's awesome. When you're above all four moving averages in most time frames, you're going to find much more success. In other words, success to the upside, not the downside. Again, the whole common hashtag/theme for this week, preferably even specifically today, is that don't short this coin. All right, we're going to start a movement here. Don't short this coin. And again, it's not a joke. It's literally serious. Like everything is telling us you don't want to short. People keep doing it and they keep getting destroyed. I get a lot of new members in my community. While I appreciate that and don't mind helping new people, where are you getting the information that you need to short any coin right now? There's literally no reason for it. The whole last couple of weeks, yesterday we had a close call with Bitcoin. It almost broke bearish, but it instantly recovered. Okay, when Bitcoin does that, these coins are going to perform very well. All coins are doing really good right now. Same thing here with stochastic RSI. We got a swing to the upside. Our money flow index is almost above 70. We've got traditional RSI at about 65, 60 in that range. That's a very positive sign too. Anything over 15 below 70 is a bullish sign. Okay. Same thing with the MACD converging here. We're not even getting a mild divergence. Okay, zero reason to short this coin. So we got this previous support level here based on larger time frames. We'll go ahead and pull this out here too, just to pay attention to that level. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, we can identify we're above all four moving averages. Again, common theme. What do you know, folks? We're on the right side of tracks. 100% beneficial. Stochastic RSI is still swinging upwards. Keep in mind it could plateau here soon and be due for a correction. It's very natural, very common thing here. It doesn't mean you short, okay? Please get this through your head. We got some people in our community and just in general I've seen in my comments that they think that if you are trading, you have to trade in either direction at any given time. So if you close a short, you have to open a long. No, that's not how it works. You close a short, you wait 95% of the time, whatever that duration is. To me, it's there's only 5% off opportunity in most coins. We wait to find that opportunity and then you take a trade. And it might just be another short, could be another long, who knows? But you don't just reverse a trade. While the price either goes up or down at any given time, your trade shouldn't be getting in and getting out instantly and just hitting that reverse button. You should probably reverse your thinking and not use that reverse button. Anyways, conversation for another day. Again, I'm more so referring to swing trading though. Please understand that. Day trading, you can kind of get away with that. Again, different strategy for different folks. I don't day trade anymore. I used to, but I don't like the gray hairs. I mean, it becoming distinguished, don't get me wrong, but it's still not a good thing, right? I don't like the stress that comes with it. So RSI is closer to 70. We could see a plateau here soon, which just implies that this 0.786 fib level at 58 cents is probably a pretty strong resistance. We wicked up once and swept that level of liquidity. We could wick up again. If we close above that here today, that would be a very positive sign. We've only got 37 minutes in today's candle, so I don't really think that's a big deal. And you don't want to put too much emphasis on a daily candlestick closure. Some people put way too much weight into it. I think it's a good barometer, but it's not necessarily the only thing you should trade on. Okay. All that having said, we got a good volume support in the last, since February 6th, roughly last 7, 8, 9 trading days. We can see here 54 cents even-ish, really close to that, is a heavy amount of support. So the price does pull back, solid chance we will see the nice little bounce off that level. Okay. If we take a look at the 4-hour time Elliott Wave, we can see here we are starting to see a nice healthy pattern here, 0.382, coming down to that level about 54 cents for a potential pivot. Again, the reason why that's relevant is because the fourth wave, essentially the fourth wave or second wave to the downside, can never be lower than the first wave to the upside. Okay, so you just got to recognize that. That's why that level exists. So hypothetically, if we were to draw out some fibs here in the most recent time frame, we can see that 0.382 level is a likely candidate for bounce. Okay, so again, let's get rid of this larger time frame and just kind of focus here for the moment. And just know that could very well be a strong consideration for an entry. To me personally, I'm going to set an alert, see if 54.5 is a good consideration for a long when that happens. And what I'm going to do here, get this, I'm going to reevaluate when the price comes to that level. I'm not going to just arbitrarily jump into a coin because it met that one alert. Okay? Please, 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 if you're setting alerts, reevaluate, do yourself a favor. It takes 2 minutes. It takes me almost 5 to 10 minutes because I'm explaining the whole thing, but it should take you no more than 2 or 3 minutes to analyze a chart quickly, check these things off your list, and understand it meets your qualifications and your risk tolerance, and then you take a trade. Okay? I'm going to get this alert later and be like, I don't see what I saw in that earlier, right? But it could very well be like, oh, wow, everything's perfect. I want to do this. That's where I'm at, okay? Hourly time frame, Ichimoku Cloud, all good things here, green light, so to speak, to leave your long position open. We're seeing this across the board. Almost every single altcoin has the same behavior. In other words, it's retesting that most recent high. We saw a recent liquidity sweep on most coins. They are coming down to pivot off of a previous day close and also have potential to bounce off the more recent highs too. So again, the price may not come back down to this 54.5 mark. It may just come down to 56.3 and bounce, okay? It would make sense to get a bounce off there because that would give us our ABC, and then of course a little takeoff off the most recent high. Again, we're above the cloud. That's the whole consideration here. And lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines above the baseline. 0 reasons to short this coin. Okay. Let's see here. Repeat after me. I will not short this coin. It's really simple, right? I will not short this coin. 6 letters, words, a lot of letters. Forget it. You get the point. So we're here with Cardano looking pretty good. All things considered, I think the price is more likely to increase. We could double check our CC Golden Indicator and confirm we did have a sell signal recently with an earlier buy signal. Is it overextended at this point? Yes, there's no other way around it. But the truth is we have a lot of support and it seems more sensible for the price to go up a little bit further before it goes down. But me personally, I would err on the side of caution. I would wait for the price action to come down to this level here and effectively jump on in. So if you're in that that Cardano long that we sent in my Premium Plus group, again, this is an automated trading bot that I have based on my trading strategy. You are better off adjusting your stop loss higher because you're currently in profit right now. You should not experience a loss on this coin because of the fact that the price action is where it's supposed to be, okay? So again, just a lot of different considerations, a lot of different thoughts there, but adjust your stop loss higher as the price goes up, and if it comes back down, you walk away in the profit in the green. Even if you only made a few dollars versus a few $100s, it's still money. It's better than losing money. That's just kind of how I look at it. Anyways, there's a reason I don't day trade any longer. That's about all we got there. Okay, last thing but not least, folks, Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, link down below. Highly recommend them. Make sure you utilize this link so you can be eligible for our trading competitions coming up here soon. It's going to be $10,000 prize pool, phenomenal situation. We're going to roll out with that here in just a couple of weeks. We also got 200 trading pairs coming this exchange. No VPN or KYC, so if you're in the US or Canada, you got some really good options. Check them out. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.